Without truck drivers diligently working around the clock, your local grocery store shelves would quickly become empty in a matter of days. Imagine the impact on your daily life. Virtually everything you rely on, from the smallest gadget to the largest appliance, arrives by truck. Most people simply see a big rig barreling down the highway and often forget about the dedicated individual behind the wheel. That person is responsible for millions of dollars in cargo and is truly the backbone of our entire economy. They keep the world moving. In 2025, the world of trucking is more technologically advanced, complex, and absolutely vital than ever before. Today, we're pulling back the curtain to reveal the realities of this profession. We're offering an inside look at the real life of a modern commercial driver's license holder and what it truly entails. This profession is about so much more than just driving from point A to point B. Today's drivers are skilled logisticians, capable mechanics, shrewd negotiators, and highly efficient time managers. They're the crucial final link in a complex global supply chain, responsibly handling everything from life-saving medicine that we depend on to your favorite snacks that bring a little joy to your day. And when things inevitably go wrong, whether it's unexpected breakdowns, severe weather conditions, or unforeseen delays, they're the resourceful individuals who find a way to solve the problem and keep things moving. It's an incredibly tough, yet absolutely essential job, and it's a profession that deserves our utmost respect and appreciation. For a truck driver, the day often starts long before the sun even thinks about rising. It's a pre-dawn world where the promise of a new day is just a faint glimmer on the horizon. And surprisingly, it doesn't begin with that much needed cup of coffee, but with a meticulous and thorough pre-trip inspection, a critical ritual, checking each and every tire, testing the brakes, and scrutinizing every single detail, all in the name of safety. It's a comprehensive check to ensure everything is in perfect working order. Once the rig is cleared and deemed roadworthy, the driver checks in with dispatch, confirming their readiness and receiving any last-minute instructions. Then it's time to review the day's route, carefully studying the map and planning the journey ahead, and strategizing around potential traffic delays, using every tool available to navigate efficiently, monitoring the weather, and meticulously tracking legal driving hours to comply with regulations. On the open road, unwavering focus is absolutely everything, a necessity for safe travels. Constantly scanning mirrors, diligently monitoring gauges, and always anticipating the unpredictable nature of the road ahead. Every single lane change and every stop is a carefully calculated maneuver, ensuring safety and efficiency. Challenges are a constant companion, dealing with accidents, battling severe weather, and navigating the pressures of tight schedules. In the face of these challenges, the driver makes the critical call to reroute, to wait it out, or to push on towards the destination. At the end of a long day, there's another inspection to be done, ensuring the truck is still in top condition, carefully logging hours and diligently finding a safe and secure place to rest for the night. The truck's cab transforms into a temporary home for the night, a place of respite, and then tomorrow, the cycle starts all over again, often hundreds of miles away from where the journey began. It's a life defined by unwavering discipline, a strict routine, and the constant need for adaptation to ever-changing road conditions. The daily grind is undeniably real, but so too is the immense sense of pride in a job well done. Success in trucking demands more than just possessing a commercial driver's license. While a CDL is your entry ticket, it's the combination of skills, smarts, and a commitment to well-being that truly sets successful drivers apart. Drivers expertly maneuver massive vehicles, navigating challenging routes and tight spaces with precision and control. It's a skill honed over time, demanding focus and adaptability. They also diagnose mechanical issues, performing basic maintenance and identifying potential problems before they escalate into costly breakdowns. A proactive approach to vehicle care is essential, and they must master in-cab tech, becoming proficient with the array of digital tools that are now integral to modern trucking. This includes GPS navigation, electronic logging devices, and various communication tools, all working together to ensure efficiency and compliance. But soft skills matter most. These are the interpersonal abilities that can make or break a career on the road. Patience for delays, whether caused by traffic, weather, or unexpected circumstances, is absolutely crucial. Problem-solving skills are essential when tech fails or when unforeseen challenges arise on the road, and self-discipline is needed to manage time effectively and prioritize health amidst the demands of the job. Relationships are key. Building rapport and trust with various individuals is paramount. This is especially true with dispatchers, who are your lifeline and primary point of contact. They help solve problems, provide crucial information, and keep loads moving efficiently. Professionalism with warehouse staff is also vital for smooth loading and unloading processes. And positive interactions with customers can turn a tough day around, fostering goodwill and repeat business. The job is undeniably tough on both body and mind. It's a demanding profession. Long hours, periods of solitude, and the constant pressure to meet deadlines create a stressful environment. The best drivers build resilience, developing coping mechanisms to navigate these challenges. They stay connected with loved ones, nurturing relationships that provide support and a sense of belonging, and they make healthy choices on the road, prioritizing nutrition and exercise to combat fatigue and maintain well-being. They understand that self-care is just as important as truck care, recognizing that their own health is paramount. It's not just about driving from point A to point B, it's about so much more. It's about thriving in a demanding world, adapting to constant change, and maintaining a positive attitude. Only the strong last, those who possess the skills, the smarts, and the unwavering commitment to staying sane on the road. Why choose trucking? The pay is strong, benefits are solid, and demand for drivers keeps job security high. While automation threatens other fields, skilled drivers remain essential. AI can't handle every challenge on the road. Beyond money, trucking offers freedom and autonomy. You're your own boss, seeing the country from behind the wheel. Growth opportunities abound. Start as a company driver, become a trainer, move into dispatch, or run your own business as an owner-operator. The risks are real, but so are the rewards, financial and personal. Automation may change the job, but it won't replace the human touch. Drivers adapt, solve problems, and keep the world moving. The future? Still in the hands of real people. Trucking is a career, not just a job. We've seen that truckers are skilled professionals vital to our economy and masters of routine and resilience. It's a demanding lifestyle, solitary, disciplined, and unpredictable, but the rewards are real for the right person. Ask yourself, do you value independence? Can you handle stress and solve problems alone? Are you disciplined and responsible? If so, trucking might be your path. The journey starts with a commercial driver's license and hands-on training. From there, you climb the ladder, learning, growing, and finding your place in a unique community. If you're curious, talk to real drivers, visit a trucking school, and do your research. Share your thoughts or questions below. Let's keep the conversation rolling.